Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles Part 30. Today we talk about Valentine. Valentine in recent years became bigger and bigger for restaurants. What can you do, to increase your Valentine revenue or to get more customers on Valentine? Make it a special night, a special experience for them. It can be different ways, you can play with the table setup, put some rose petals on the table, make it something a bit special, having decorations in the restaurant, maybe a photographer to make it a memorable moment for your customers. But also on the food side, you need to be able to do something a little bit special on that night, something that people don't have every day. For us in a French restaurant, we will have foie gras, we will have truffles, we have all the good things, a nice piece of beef, and we give also options. The lady will have a different menu than the gentleman. We know ladies like to eat a little bit lighter, maybe a bit differently than the gentleman. So you need to give special attention to all those details. And of course, people won't come usually in couples, so they have a good spending power. So and they want to show appreciation for their loved ones. They want to show them how much they love them. So there, you need to be able to bring that to them to make it a very special night for you. Thank you.